Hello everyone, Instructor Mascaro here. I hope that you are enjoying our first week of class together. I'm really enjoying reading through your introductions and getting to know a little bit more about you. I do encourage you to reach out to me if you have any questions at all, but I did want to record a video just in case you're having some trouble navigating through Blackboard. I know it can be a little bit overwhelming this first week, so I just wanted to walk you through some things. So first things first, this is what comes up when you log into our class. It brings you right to our announcements. Any announcements that I make throughout the week will show up here. I usually also email them to you, so keep an eye on your emails. This over here, you're going to hear me talk about this a lot. This is what I refer to as the left-hand navigation menu. This is how you're going to navigate through our course. So again, you can click this to get to our announcements. Here's our course information. That's where you're going to find the syllabus and information about our course and our books, resources, things like that. If you want to read up some more about me and my contact information, it's going to be here in the Meet Your Instructor tab. During the week, if you ever have any questions and it's outside of my office hours, you can click on this link here and it's going to bring you to a Blackboard Collaborate session that's manned by other instructors from CTC101. They are there to answer questions that are general about the course. If you have any questions about grading or about specific assignments that are personal to you, please direct those towards me. But if you're ever in a bind or struggling with something while you're working on it, you can click on that and one of the other instructors will help you. Then here you'll see our 8 units. Each week is 1 unit in our course. So unit 1, week 1, and so on. I'm going to click on unit 1 here. So this is our first unit, which you've probably seen already, but I just wanted to walk you through how to post, just in case you haven't posted. So you'll see here our unit 1 DB, our discussion board. You're going to click here if you want to write in our discussion board. This is, you're going to see everyone who's written in here already. We're doing really great. Everybody getting to know everyone else. I see that you're commenting on each other, so this is fantastic. If you want to create a thread and write your introduction to the class, you're going to click here and click Create Thread. So you'll see the questions here. Make sure that you're answering all of the questions that are posed here in your discussion board each week. Make sure to give your discussion a title or a subject so that we know what you're writing about. And then you're going to write here everything that you want to do or want to talk about to answer that question. You're going to scroll down, and you can't see it on my screen here, but down here in this area, you're going to see a submit, and that's how you're going to submit your discussion board, and then it will post to the thread so that all of your classmates can read it. You can also access the discussion boards through here, this over here, and this will bring up the units discussions here. As we continue on, you're going to see more and more. Unit 1 is only available now, but next week you'll see Unit 1 and Unit 2. The next thing I wanted to talk about was our journals. We don't have a journal entry every week, but there are some weeks where we're going to have journal entries. The journal is where you and I are going to have a one-on-one conversation. Everything that you write in there is just between me and you. None of your classmates or peers, anybody else is going to see it. It's just me and you. So we can have a conversation there. You can be completely candid with me. I'm there to answer any questions that you have. If you don't feel comfortable writing them in the discussion board, please use that area as a place to write those questions and let me know how you're feeling about things. I do want to have back and forth conversations in there. So if you can go ahead and put your journal entries in earlier in the week, I usually am going to respond to those, and I have questions sometimes, so check back in often throughout the week so you and I can have those conversations. So you can access the journals over here, just as you do with the discussion boards, or also here within our unit. So I'm going to click here. Again, you're going to see the question written here. When you are ready to answer the question, you're going to click Create Journal Entry. Again, give it a title or a subject, and then write whatever you need to write right in here. And again, you can't see it on my screen, but you're going to click Post Entry, and that will post the entry to me only. I'm the only one that's going to see it. So I'll get a message that you have posted in there. So again, I'm going to refer to the left-hand navigation menu a lot. There's a lot of things in here. You can click My Grades. That's going to bring you to see your grades. Grammarly and Academic Writer, I'm going to talk about that at another time. But this is a great tool, a great resource. If you're having trouble with spelling and grammar and you want just something else to check that for you, Grammarly is fantastic. TutorMe is our 24-hour tutoring service. So if you're stuck and it's outside of office hours, I know when I was in my MBA program, I was often doing my schoolwork late at night when my kids had gone to sleep. So if there's ever a time that's outside of office hours and there's no one manning that instructor check-in office hours, you can always click TutorMe and there's tutors there to help you 24 hours a day. Again, if you have any questions at all about anything in the course, feel free to shoot me an email. I also have my texting number in the Meet Your Instructor tab. So if you have questions and it's easier for you to text me, that's fine too. It's usually easier for me to text than to call anyone because I have 2 small children and 2 big dogs. So there's always a lot of noise behind me. So again, if you ever need anything, feel free to reach out. And I hope that you're all doing well this week, and I'll see you on the discussion boards. Have a good day.